In this module, we'll discuss how the field of world Englishes has been enriched and informed by research in the area. The previous research in the area suggests that there are two main sources of data for research in world Englishes. One is the researcher's personal observation, and the other is large scale corpora. Before discussing how these are used in research, let's take a look at what a corpus is. A corpus is defined as a collection of authentic written or spoken text. So you can think of corpora or a corpus as a large bank of language. The different corpora are now available electronically, and they can be accessed with computer software. In fact, the field of corpus analysis has developed ever since the use of computer has become common, and ever since more developments have taken place in the area of computers. Because of the availability of different software, corpus analysis can be used in different ways for different kinds of research. So, the corpora which are collected include a large number of, let's say, different text types. For example, they may include instructional manuals, recipes, beauty tips, academic texts, etc. They also include spoken texts. One example is the Michigan Corpus of Academic Spoken English, which is a large corpus of academic English. Not only that these corpora represent different text types, you can also collect a corpus of a particular language variety. So you can collect, for example, written and spoken New Zealand English. You can also develop a corpus of Pakistani English, and then within Pakistani English, you can develop a corpus of different sub-varieties, maybe the English which is used by the educated class, the English which is used by the lower middle class, etc. So the corpus that you would like to develop, you may want to develop, may comprise different varieties of English, different text types, etc. The corpora can also include texts which are used in specific fields. For example, you can develop a corpus of business English. You can also develop a corpus of medical English. You can develop a corpus of engineering English, so on and so forth. Now, how are these corpora used? These corpora are then further developed with the help of computer software. And one strategy which is used, or one software which is used, is called a concordance. A concordance is an alphabetical list of the principal words used in a book or any body of work with their immediate context. So a concordance would display a text to you or to any reader in the form of lists. If, for example, your focus is the use of a particular word and you would like to see in what context that particular word is used, what kind of collocations are possible with that word, what is the accurate form of the word which is used by native speakers, etc., you can obtain all such information with the help of concordance. A concordance can give you a lot of information for answering different research questions. They can address different research focuses. Here is an example of what a concordance looks like. Suppose you are interested in finding out in what context a word, a noun phrase like big box is used. Maybe you want to study its frequency in a particular kind of text. You want to study its frequency in a particular variety of English. You want to know about its right collocations, etc. So if you have access to a particular corpus and the corpus uses concordance, you can obtain a similar list for the word which you want to analyze, or the word which is the focus of your research. Here's another example of concordance. Suppose you want to know again uh, what form of the word research is possible, whether it can be used as a plural or not, what kind of words it can co-occur with. You can obtain all such kind of information with the help of a concordance based on the word research. So in this way, we can use corpus analysis to investigate the use of different kinds of lexical items, different kinds of sentence structures, different kinds of variations in lexicon, etc., in different varieties of English. So you can study variations, you can study frequency, and many such things with the help of corpus analysis of different varieties of English.